OnCare Web. If OnCare has hosted a website for you, the great thing is that you'll be able to log in from anywhere you get internet access to your own website and make real-time changes. The way that you'll do that is you'll be able to scroll to the bottom of your website and log in. Here, just enter your username and password that OnCare provided, or you can reset your password. Once you've logged in, you'll know you're logged in because in each section you'll see an edit button. You can always go to the individual page you're working with and select edit if you're simply making a quick edit. Once you've selected that button, you'll see that you have a toolbar that resembles one much in a Word document. You can insert images, change the text, font color, even do spell check. Additionally, you can also highlight words and create hyperlinks. Once you're done doing any edits, you would simply hit save or cancel. Other ways to do edits would be to go to your dashboard. From your dashboard, you'll be able to go to various sections. For example, your promotion section. Here you could come in, you could add a new promotion, and a promotion is a fairly general word in this system. It's not necessarily a promotion of services, but it can also be just a block of information. For example, if we were to hit edit, here we've created a block with questions and a contact us information. Below, you can also decide what pages you want each promotion to show up on. Simply select the page and hit add, or select the page from the right side and remove it. Additionally, you can come in and manage your testimonials. The same idea. Add a testimonial, you can edit or delete it. In addition, it's very popular to want to change the photos. There's two sections of photos. There's what we call a photo rotator, which will be on the right-hand side rotating. Just like with the promotions, you can add a new photo and then select what page or pages you want that photo to appear on. You'll be able to browse for photos right off your desktop. Again, select the pages and add or remove. In addition to some of the basic content there, you'll also see that you can add photos from your slideshow photos. The slideshow photo feature is something that's enabled on one page, typically a page such as About Our Center. You can add photos, delete photos, or edit photos. Again, you'll be able to title them, browse straight from your desktop, and you can even add a caption. Other items that you can edit from the dashboard. Calendar items. By clicking on this, you can see any items that you've added to your calendar. Here you'll notice that you can always edit or delete items, or simply add a new calendar item. Notice anywhere that the red asterisk is, you'll have to fill in the fields, otherwise it's optional. Enter the title, the date, and the body of the event, such as maybe it's a school field trip that you're doing on Friday. And you can put in the details. Other areas you can edit are the news items. So if you've entered a feature onto your website, or added a feature onto your website, I should say, that keeps track of different newsletters, this is where you would manage that. Again, the edit and delete, add new news item. You can enter the title, the summary, which will show, and then if you want, you can further enter more information. Notice too, anywhere that you can free type, you'll be able to see this toolbar that will allow you to customize your content. Another feature in here, maybe a links page. The links have two options. One, you can simply add a link. Before you do that, you can also manage your categories. The categories are what will appear on the page, and under those categories will be the links. You are forced to pick a category for each link that you add, so you will need at least one category. Here you can edit your existing ones or add a brand new one. If you simply want to add a new link, just hit add a link, enter in the title of the link, the URL, for example, OnCareServices.com, and then here's where you choose that category. Additionally, you can add forms. Forms will look much like the links in that you'll be able to manage your categories, or you can add a new form. The form here is designed to allow you to browse for a file directly from your desktop. It does ask for the file to be in a PDF format. Here you can simply click on Browse and find that format. It will also ask you to categorize that file. And last under this section is the staff bios. Staff bios is a feature within the system that's designed to enter your staff information as well as add a picture. For example, if we were to edit Jane Doe's, here you can enter the name, the title, add a photo. If this is not the photo you want, you remove it, and then you can browse directly from your desktop to add a new one and enter in information about Jane Doe. Other areas that you may want to get familiar with in your dashboard would be the Manage Your Account information. Here you can manage your own information, username and password. As an admin, which you'll be set up for, you can also manage other users. This allows you to add additional people that you want to be able to edit the site. You can choose, are they a site admin? In other words, that they can add other users, or just a site user. Additionally, down here at the bottom, the site reports. Here's where you can find some information about how people are viewing your site. What are the most popular pages? The top refers. See where site visitors are actually coming from when they enter your site. And then, of course, if there's any broken links, you'll see a report there. And, of course, we'd want you to email support@OnCareServices.com right away. Outside of the dashboard, if you want to go to edit anything from the actual page, as a reminder, you can take a shortcut right to go to your client site. Let's say, for example, that you wanted to add a calendar item right from the calendar instead of the dashboard. Notice that you'll be able to do that right from here. As long as you're in the edit mode, you'll also be able to insert those features like manage calendar items. If you click on that, you'll notice that it goes right back to that same view that we had seen from the dashboard. Likewise, if you were to go to, for example, your links page, here you'll see those categories and those various links that were added. You can edit the page so that you can add in new content at the top, and or you can manage the actual links. So keep in mind, how you edit your pages is completely up to you. Either utilizing the dashboard and or for quick edits, you may find that going to the specific page is faster. Either way, OnCare is here to support you with any questions you may have. You can always email support@OnCareServices.com and we'll gladly help you. Keep in mind as well that there's a user guide right from the website which will help you answer immediate questions as they come up.